Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. So this is going to be your daily reading, Pisces, for your general energies and also for your love energies, Pisces. So let us see what is coming up for your general energies, Pisces, and then we will be moving on to your love energies, Pisces. So one card for your general energies and one card for your love energies, Pisces. So what is coming up for your general energies, Pisces? General energies, Pisces. Okay, Pisces, so today you can be getting an offer from someone. It can be a love offer, it doesn't have to be a love offer. It can also be like a job offer, because Page of Pentacles is more like an offer or some kind of like a gift coming towards you guys. Someone is going to gift you, someone is going to get you something, or it's just going to be a surprise for you guys. Okay, but whatever is coming towards you has a lot of meaning and has a lot of love in it, and I can definitely see here that it has a lot of mystery in it too. But or you're giving some kind of a love or some kind of an offer or some kind of like feelings, or I don't know guys, you're giving something to someone. It can be a small gift that you're giving someone, or it's more than a gift. Okay, but I definitely see here that it's something that you're giving to someone or something that you're receiving from someone. Okay, and especially you can get this gift from a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, a fire sign. They're very good at gifting people. Okay, and also I can see here that you can be dealing with a person who really wants to offer you something, but they're not upfront about it, maybe because they're scared of several other things. Maybe they're scared of you not accepting it, they're scared of you not liking their gift, or this person does have a lot of insecurities coming in their way, destroying certain things. But generally I can see here that whatever is going to happen, guys, is going to happen for good. So just stay patient and see how things go generally for you guys, my lovely Pisces. So also what I'm getting here with the Page of Pentacles, guys, is that you just need to pay close attention to who really love you and who are just using you. Okay, because there can be certain people who are using you, and there can be certain people who are truly concerned about you, truly attached to you and all of that. So just think a lot before you understand about how people really are and everything. Okay, so that is the overall energies that I'm getting here, guys. And also today, as I told before, it is going to be a little surprising. Someone is going to get you a gift and all of that. So let us see this what is coming up for your love energies. Okay, my lovely Pisces, what is coming up for your love energies, guys? We have the Devil in reverse. Okay, so the toxicity in the relationship is no longer there. So you cannot call this relationship toxic, because I don't think this relationship is toxic anymore. This is just impossible, guys. Okay, it cannot be this relationship. I don't feel like this relationship ended, but the toxicity in this relationship definitely ended, guys. And this is just so impossible, because the relationship, usually if you're dealing with a karmic partner, I would say that a karmic relationship ended. But right here I can see here that it was a karmic relationship. I'm really sorry to say this. Most of you Pisces are in a karmic cycle right now, but then this relationship is changing into be something divine, It's supposed to be karmic. I don't know what I'm talking about, guys, but it is the toxicity in the karmic relationship is kind of like going away. Okay, maybe this person's not obsessed obsessive over you, and you're not obsessed over this connection. You do give each other personal space, you do understand each other really well, you do trust each other very well, and this itself makes it feel more of on a spiritual side. Okay, because a karmic relationship is usually like a lot of doubts, a lot of secrets, a lot misunderstandings, and not trusting, a lot of, what to say guys, addictions and obsession over the person, and over jealousy or over possessiveness. But I don't see that this relationship consists of that. Maybe it did before, but then the toxicity is just lowering day by day. Or this can also mean like something, this relationship is changing into something divine, changing into something unique. This is like impossible, but I don't know why we have this in our reading. Maybe you just love this person so very much, more than your twin flame or more than your soulmate, that this love for this person is overpowering, and this is really changing them into someone better, and it's really influencing the relationship that you obviously have with this person. That can be the reason. Okay, it can also be like this person want to thank you, or their soul wants to thank you in a way, and that is why we have the Page of Pentacles. It wants to thank you for letting this karmic relationship change. Their soul and your soul want to thank you for kind of like going through this journey with this person or whatever it is. And I don't know guys, this is a very very spiritual message I'm getting here for you guys, Pisces, and I don't know how to put it in words. I know certain emotions, certain feelings are really hard to express in words. I don't know guys how to explain this, but I think I did my part explaining it, how much ever I could explain. So this is what this person's going through, this is what they're feeling right now. So this relationship is changing into a divine relationship. Okay, and it's like you guys need to pay close attention to it. And yes guys, that is it, that is all I can see here for you guys, Pisces. Okay, you never thought this would happen, but it is happening. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching guys, my lovely Pisces. Bye guys, see you all tomorrow, Pisces. Bye guys.